Hello my dear students, this is Akash HD. Welcome to the AHD physics classes. Hope so doing really great. So students, in this video we are going to solve the question from the chapter Atoms, NEET 2024 question. Let's go through it. The spectral series which corresponds to the electronic transition from the level N256 to the level N1 equal to 4 is how much here? Here some options are there like Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, brackett and all that here. Okay. So here I have drawn here the energy levels. Okay. So if you talk about here the single atom, in single atom energy levels will be what? Energy levels will be discrete energy levels. Okay. And here I am talking about the Neal-Bohr model applicable for the single electron in atom like hydrogen. We can talk about He plus Li plus 2 and all that. Okay. Energy level, single atom having single electron. Okay. So here I have drawn here the energy level. So here please let's take here energy n equal to 1. Now levels n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, n equal to 5. Like this I have taken n equal to 6. Up to this even it can go up to the infinity also. Okay. And if at these levels you want to know the energy, so remember the formula here, En equal to minus 13.6 Z square by n square electron volt. Okay, Z equal to 1 for hydrogen, 2 for He plus, 3 for Li plus 2. Okay, but what is this Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, brackett and all? Remember that here students, whenever what will happen? Electron will get the energy in a ground state. Now suddenly after getting the energy, it will go to the excited state, and when it will come back, then in a emission spectrum it will emit the photon. Okay, so that photon, when they will jump from higher energy state to the lower energy state, what will happen? In that situation we will get some specific wavelength and frequency. Okay, so here please here first one, if we talk about here the Lyman series, in Lyman series what will happen that here they are telling jumping from where? First here n1 equal to 4. Okay, so I'll tell you one by one. If they are jumping where? From higher energy state to the here n equal to 1. So here please let's take for example here I am talking about here the emission spectrum. Na? So if in case this kind of situation is coming, what situation is coming? If they are jumping from high energy state to the ground 1, then this is called which series? It will become here the Lyman series here. Again I am telling that here Lyman series. Okay. Similarly, if they are talking if you are talking about from higher energy state, they are coming to the 2 like this here, see, different color like this here, see, like this they are coming now, like this here, see. So this will be called here what? This is called here the Balmer series here. Lyman series will lie in a ultraviolet region of the spectrum. Balmer series will lie in a which one? Visible region. Okay. After that students, if we talk about here next one, Lyman, Balmer, next one let's take here for example here. Jumping from 4 to 3, 5 to 3, 6 to 3 like this. Okay. So this will become here the Paschen series. This one will lie in a infrared region here. Okay. Similarly, as according to the question, it is jumping from 5, 6 to the 4. So see here please here like this here, see, jumping like this here. Even from the higher energy also jumping. So Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, brackett. B-R-A-C-K-E-T-T, brackett series here. Okay. So here you can see according to the question what they are telling that here 5, 6 to the 4, which series is there? Brackett series is there. And if we talk about here which part of the electromagnetic spectrum, so this one is the ultraviolet, this one is the visible, others all, whether Paschen is there, brackett is there, Fund is there, they all will be in a infrared region. Okay, can you see very well? No? Very informative question, is it? So students, I hope so this very informative question is very clear to you. Keep studying, keep growing.